You will not believe how easy it is to make this snack. It is delicious and it is very easy to make. For this recipe we are going to need 4 sausages, which we are going to cut as follows, just as I am doing. Already cut, I will reserve it. We will also need 100 grams of mozzarella cheese. Although you can use the cheese of your preference, one that melts very well, this cheese will be cut first into strips and then into small cubes as I am doing. Now on a barbecue stick we are going to intersperse sausage and cheese as follows. Guys, this snack is very easy to make and is delicious. I am sure everyone will like the result. And so we should have our sticks with sausage and cheese. In a small bowl I will add 2 eggs and with the help of a fork I will beat it very well until the 2 eggs break. Once the eggs have been beaten, I will reserve it. Then I will remove with a knife the edge of a slice of bread, just as I do. Then, with a kitchen roller, I will crush the bread very well. Meanwhile, I would like to know, from which country or city you look at us, to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for Edmund from United States, also for Carmelita Sarah from Dubai, and Jazubal Balin from Philippines. Thank you very much for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. And that's how fine we should have bread. Then I'm going to roll the stick with the cheese and sausage on the crushed bread. At this point, with the help of a kitchen brush, I will spread some of the mixture of beaten eggs and close it very well. And in this way we should have our skewer rolled and the slice of bread crushed. Then I will spread the skewers of the egg mixture with the help of a kitchen brush. Already well spread quickly, I will pass it for bread crumbs. If you have come this far seeing today's recipe, that means that you are liking this recipe. So leave us here below the following message. I love sausages, so I can send you a very special greeting. And so we should be our skewers already passed through the breadcrumbs. In a pan with oil I will place the skewers to fry over medium heat, and I will turn it constantly so that they can be browned on both sides. And already our sausage and cheese skewers are ready. Look how incredible they have been. This recipe is perfect for a snack, although I would like you to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 so you know if you liked the result. Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it's the first time you see one of my recipes. And if so, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube as Recipes Oni, and activate the bell so you can always receive our recipes. May God bless you. See you in the next recipe.